In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in the chart of accounts within Zoho Books. This task is essential for keeping your financial records organized, and while Zoho doesn't have a direct merge feature, there is an effective workaround that we'll explore today. First things first, let's kick things off by signing into your Zoho Books account. You'll want to start by heading over to the sign in page, and once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in using Google. Simply select this option and choose the appropriate Google account that you'd like to associate with your Zoho Books profile. Once signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all the magic begins. Now, let's navigate to the Accountant tab. This section is a hub for managing all your financial data. Inside this tab, go ahead and click on the Chart of Accounts. Here you'll find a comprehensive list of all the accounts that you've set up. To proceed with merging, identify the account you wish to merge into another. It's important to note that Zoho Books doesn't provide a one-click merge feature. Instead, you'll need to manually transfer all transactions from the source account to the destination account before deleting the former. This process might sound a bit tedious, but Zoho simplifies it with a handy bulk update feature. At the bottom of the account, you'll see a bulk update button. Click on it and you'll need to select all transactions associated with the account you're planning to merge. Once selected, update these transactions, transferring them into the account you'd like to retain. Make sure you double check that all transactions have been moved successfully. This diligence will ensure your financial records remain accurate and complete. After you've transferred all transactions, it's time to delete the now empty account. To do this, click on the checkbox next to the account you wish to remove. Then move your cursor to the trash can icon located at the top of your screen and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear, simply hit OK to permanently delete the account. That's it! You've successfully merged an account in Zoho Books using this method. Remember, while it may seem like a workaround, this approach effectively consolidates your accounts and keeps your financial data precise and manageable. By following these steps, you're now equipped with the know-how to maintain a tidy and organized chart of accounts. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tips on navigating Zoho Books with ease.